Good morning and welcome to Factotum Life. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have a wide variety of content. The content that I'm bringing you today is on our 1986 Yamaha SRV snowmobile. And specifically, we are going to rewind the stator that goes and attaches to our snowmobile. So the way this works is this stator attaches directly to the engine right in here. And we have a flywheel with magnets right here. And this will spin with the RPM of the engine. And it creates our electricity that is used to fire the coil and also to operate the headlight and the brake light along with the hand warmers. So sort of an important thing to have. This snowmobile is a 1986, so we're dealing with some antique or vintage items. The issue with this specifically is that when it would warm up, we would lose a majority of our spark. And I wasn't entirely certain that we had an issue with this. However, the war of actually getting it off, it became damaged. And this damage occurred probably a couple years ago when I was trying to get the stator off inside the snowmobile, not necessarily on the bench. So for those who are looking to do this, be very careful in not running your removal bolts too far down, because that's what ends up happening. All is not lost though. What I have done is I've gone ahead and ordered magnetic winding wire in the correct thicknesses, and we're going to actually take this apart and rewind everything, and then we're going to put it all back together, and we're going to put it on this and hopefully have a properly operating spark. So let's get to work. folks, if you can't see it, this is most likely what our issue is right here. We've got some wires that are green. So not only are we rewinding everything, but we're also going to be replacing the wires. All right, so we're done now with our rewinding of our coils, and what we've got to do next is to attach the grounding wires and then attach the power feed wires. Overall, everything seemed to have worked decently. There was a couple of sections that it would have been nicer to have a tighter coil. I don't know if was this worth the time? Probably not. I could have bought a rebuilt one for $175. The amount of time that I've put into rewinding and frustration definitely did not make up for that. However, this is the first time that I've actually undertaken a rewinding project, and to be able to at least say that we successfully did this. I did stay pretty close. I maintained the number of layers on the thicker coils. On the thinner coils, I did maintain the thickness.